My name is Dean Thomas with eReal Estate in Redondo Beach.
I enjoy selling real estate. I've been doing it for a long time. When property owners, buyers and sellers, when they're making the decision of who they should use for their real estate broker, I think a lot of times it boils down to who they trust and who has the experience. I care that the client is getting the best buy. I care that the client is being represented the best because they really have a lot at stake. Their property's worth $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. Some people think those decisions are very easy and yet they're very complex. What's the best decision at any certain time? If you know the contract in detail and you specialize in putting them together, you make sure you put together contracts that stay together. You make sure that when you're representing a seller, the buyer is fully qualified. And when you're representing a buyer, the seller is ready to sell. No problems on preliminary title reports, nothing that can give hitches in the property, in the transaction as it goes through. I have a list of clients that have been my clients for 20 years, have bought 10, 12, 15 properties from me, and they use me all the time. And I think that reason, the reason why they keep calling me back is they know I will put their interest in front. So I'm very low pressure. I'm in tune to providing a lot of information to my clients so that their decisions are educated.
My name is Dean Thomas. If I can assist you with any real estate needs, please contact me directly at 310-874-1010.